In today's video, I'm going to show you how to forward your Bluehost emails to your Gmail account so every message sent to your Bluehost business email can automatically show up in Gmail. This is a super useful setup if you want to manage all your email in one place, stay organized, and avoid missing important messages. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. To begin, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your Bluehost dashboard, look for the hosting section and click on it. From there, find cPanel email and click that next. This is where Bluehost keeps the email tools you need for forwarding. Now, inside the email options, click Forwarders. After that, click Continue to open cPanel. This will take you to the email forwarding settings where you can create a new forwarder. Once cPanel loads, look for the Add Forwarder button and click it. This is the step that starts the process of sending emails from your Bluehost inbox to your Gmail inbox automatically. In the Address to Forward field, type the username of the Bluehost email address you want to forward. For example, if your email is info@yourdomain.com, you would just enter info in this box. Then select your domain from the drop-down menu so Bluehost knows exactly which email address you want to forward. After that, go to the destination section and choose Forward to Email Address. This tells Bluehost that the incoming mail should be sent somewhere else, instead of staying only in your Bluehost mailbox. Now enter your full Gmail address in the destination field. Make sure you type it correctly because this is where your Bluehost emails will be delivered. Once everything looks good, click Add Forwarder. Bluehost will save the rule, and from that point on, emails sent to your Bluehost address should begin forwarding to your Gmail account. That's it. You've now set up Bluehost email forwarding to Gmail. This is an easy way to simplify your inbox, keep track of client messages, and make sure all your important business emails land where you check them most often. If you want more step-by-step tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.